Hi guys, Sunday I'll be sending you my first hacks for the month, and in preparation for this I'd like you to open an account with FORMGRIDS. So it's formgrids.info, and this will bring you up a page as you see on the screen now. Now we can't log in yet because we haven't registered, so we'll quickly register here. Click on the top to register. Put your name and email address, username, and then you'll be away. I'm choosing, let's call it hacks June. Username hacks June. Okay, I'll put a password in. Once you've done this, you'll be sent an email, and on the email this is just to confirm that you're not a hacker, a robot. So you click this to confirm it. So from there, we're okay. So now we log in. And now we're away, and I'll ask to save it so that future times I don't have to worry. Okay, from here we can see all the race cards. This is done on Monday, so you could just click on to see all your race cards. But the important thing is that we're going to have a watch list, and this is the most important thing of all. At the moment we've got nothing in the watch list, but let me just show you what we're going to need once we get going. Say for instance we look at the race, we've been watching the race, and we decide that perhaps, this is an easy one here, say perhaps we want MK's dreams to look at for the future. What we do then, we just click on that, and that's all we need to do, because now next time that horse runs it'll come up in your watch list. So you click your watch list and see all the results here. And when you see it in your watch list, you can click on the pencil and you can make your note. And you might make a note, the way I do it, I put the date in and then you just update it. So next time that horse runs, we can come to the watch list and we'll see exactly when it runs the following time. All our notes are going to be put in here, and it may seem very simple at the moment, but this will turn out to be, as we get going, very strong indeed, and this is where we're going to be able to find our winners in advance to be able to bet. So open your own account with FORMGRIDS and we'll take it from there next week.